Hello and welcome all of you. I am Dr. Sanaullah Khan, a dedicated acupuncture specialist in traditional Chinese medicine and holistic healing practices. My passion lies in helping individuals to achieve optimal health and balance through natural methods. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you where you will explore a profound world of acupressure and its transformative benefits by curing any disease with a management of one or two acupressure points. Today we are going to discuss about how to cure Angina Pectoris with the help of single acupressure point. Angina Pectoris refers to colic pain in heart caused by chronic coronary insufficiency or acute myocardial ischemia. It generally is from coronary heart disease. Its main manifestations are chest pain radiating to the left back and shoulder or medial side of the left arm. Its sudden onset is often induced by excess fatigue, excessive eating, cold or excitement, and it usually lasts for 3 to 6 minutes and can be alleviated by rest or medication. Acupressure point referred to this ailment is DU9. DU9 acupoint is located on the back and on the posterior midline in the depression below the spinous process of the 7th thoracic vertebra. Acupressure is used. Let the patient sit down leaning forward. When the angina pectoris occurs, press perpendicularly on the point DU9 with a border of a small coin until the pain decreases or vanishes. One can also apply pressure with the help of sharp, rounded small stick or even with the help of a pencil tip which is round. Apply pressure gently with press and release technique for at least 3 to 4 minutes twice a day until the condition improves and is get cured. Thank you very much for being part of this session on acupressure and its profound impact regarding restoring balance and promoting healing. I hope the insights shared today have enhanced your understanding of this ancient practice and its benefits. If you have any question or wish to explore this topic further, feel free to reach out the comments and contact me directly. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe to stay updated in future discussions about holistic health and power of acupressure. Wishing you harmony and wellness until our next sessions. Take care of yours. Very good by yourself.